Instead of unscrewing the screws, I needed some tool helpers. The way I tackled anchoring the joist was that I pre-manufactured the joints for each one that I wanted to anchor. Then I put it in place, measuring the offsets and the offset from the previous one. And then I drilled with a long concrete drill through the wood with a cordless drill that actually worked out, marking the point where I wanted to later drill a bigger hole with the bigger hammer drill. Now the plugs used are 50 by 10 and screws are 140 by 8. Um, the distance pads, the plastic pads, are 20 plus 15 millimeters, which together with the 60 millimeter joist makes up for 95 millimeters, which is the height we wanted to maintain. The biggest challenge arose in an area where the concrete just didn't hold the plugs at all, and so I had to pour new concrete in and then come again to anchor the plugs, which is off camera. However, it was a lot of work.